بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة مشان أبو سليمان يا مختار.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, how are you? How's it going? I am good, and you? I am Amin, and welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. Today we will learn Arabic with Arabic movies and drama, and today we are in the playlist of Jordanian or Palestinian dialect. Jordanian or Palestinian dialect. Don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects because I have all the dialects in my channel. So now let's start. Okay, now let's go to the first scene.
بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة
بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة. بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة. بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة. بدنا, it means we want. We want. بدنا. بدي, I want. بده, he want. بدها, she want. بدنا, we want in Jordanian or Palestinian dialect. So بدنا, we want. بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة. بدنا, we want. نحكي, نحكي. نحكي, نحكي means we speak or we talk. نحكي, we speak. نحكي. بحكي, I speak. بتحكي, she speak. And I should say a note here. The kaf in some places in Jordan and Palestine, they spell it and they pronounce it as CH. CH. Okay? So نحكي, it can be نحكي. The origin of it is نحكي. But in this scene, they talk the dialect, they are saying kaf, CH. So نحكي. So نحكي, as I said, is we speak or we talk. We speak or we talk. نحكي. بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة. بدنا, it means we want. نحكي, we speak or we talk. مع الجماعة. مع means with. مع, with. مع, with. For example, Amin with Ahmed. Amin مع Ahmed. So with is مع. With is مع. بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة. بدنا, we want. نحكي, we talk or we speak. مع, with. الجماعة, al is the. جماعة, it means a group of people. Has a one goal. Okay? جماعة, it means a group of people has one goal or relatives or they have something in common between them. So جماعة is a group of people. بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة. بدنا, we want. نحكي, we speak or we talk. مع is with. الجماعة, the people or the group of people. Now, what is the meaning of this full scene? بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة. We want to talk to the people. بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة. We want to talk to the people. بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة. We want to talk to the people. Let's take a look at the scene again.
بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة.
Okay, now let's go to the next scene.
مشان أبو سليمان يا مختار مشان أبو سليمان يا مختار مشان أبو سليمان يا مختار مشان أبو سليمان يا مختار.
مشان أبو سليمان يا مختار. مشان أبو سليمان يا مختار. مشان أبو سليمان يا مختار. مشان, مشان, it means because of. مشان is because of. مشان أبو سليمان يا مختار. مشان because of. Abu Sliman, the father of Sliman. The father of Sliman. Abu Sliman, the father of Sliman. Okay? عشان أبو سليمان يا مختار. عشان because of. Abu Sliman, the father of Sliman. يا مختار. يا is a calling tool. يا is a calling tool. We put it before any noun or name. يا is a calling tool. before any noun or name. For example, Ya Amin, Ya Ahmad, Ya Fatima, Ya Sarah, and so on. So Ya is a calling tool. Calling tool. Mishan Abu Sliman Ya Mukhtar. Mishan, because of Abu Sliman, the father of Sliman. Ya is a calling tool. Mukhtar. Mukhtar, literally meaning of it is chosen one. Chosen one. Okay? But Mukhtar in Arab countries means the village headman. The village headman. The boss of the village, or the village manager, or the village headman. This is the meaning of Mukhtar. Mukhtar. Mishan Abu Sliman Ya Mukhtar. Mishan, because of Abu Sliman, the father of Sliman. Ya is a calling tool. Mukhtar, village headman. Village headman. Or boss. So, what is the meaning of the full scene? Mishan Abu Sliman Ya Mukhtar. Because of Abu Sliman, village headman or boss. Mishan Abu Sliman Ya Mukhtar, because of Abu Sliman, village headman or boss. Mishan Abu Sliman Ya Mukhtar, because of Abu Sliman, boss or village headman. Let's take a look at the scene again.
مشان ابو سليمان يا مختار 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 مشان ابو سليمان يا مختار.
Okay, now let's take a look at all scenes without any translation.
بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة مشان ابو سليمان يا مختار بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة مشان ابو سليمان يا مختار بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة مشان ابو سليمان يا مختار بدنا نحكي مع الجماعة مشان ابو سليمان يا مختار.
Okay, this is our video for today. I hope that you enjoyed it and you learned new things. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and follow my Facebook page. And don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects, because I have all the playlists and all the dialects in my channel. And I upload videos daily. So I will see you tomorrow with the new videos and new scenes and the new dialects. So see you tomorrow. Salam.